Here we are in my December business budget. I have a full blog post that goes into deeper detail of all of my income streams. I will have that link down below for you guys. But jumping right in, affiliate marketing, I brought home $1,090.02. Etsy, $111.38. Freedom in a Budget Shop, $138.85. These two items right here, Etsy and Freedom in a Budget Shop, these are the same exact products that I sell. I sell my budget printables, my Excel spreadsheets, all of that, but I have them on two different platforms to bring in different revenue. As you can see, it is bringing revenue for both, which is awesome. Typically, Etsy is actually more, but this month I had a bigger month on my shop, which is awesome because that gives me direct traffic to my website. Next is YouTube blog ads. So this is the ads that run on my main channel, not this channel, because this one isn't monetized yet, but my main channel, Kelly Ann Smith, I do get ads on. And that one I have, I think, 46,000 subscribers. So I brought home $1,264.93. Next is Instagram. Now this is a new revenue stream this month. It's brand new. Instagram, they have a new bonus program and they paid for Reels. So for the Reels that I posted, and from mid-November to mid-December, I got $104.56. So that's awesome. Courses, two courses that I have one in entrepreneur course called Driven to Profitable, teaching people how to create online-based businesses like I have. Then I have a grocery course on how to save money on groceries. And both of them I brought in $353.23. Next is Patreon, $27.23. Coaching, didn't have any coaching clients this month, $0. And sponsorship, $2,000 for a total income of $5,090.20. And I do, like I said, I have a blog post going into deeper detail on all of these that I'll have linked down below. And I will say that I have a freebie for you guys of this spreadsheet. If you want to get this spreadsheet, then I will have it linked down for you as well. It is a free, has all the formulas pre-populated. I also have 147 online business ideas if you want to start your own online business like me or increase your revenue streams and have more streams of revenue. I'll have that link down below. It's 147 ideas to get your brain going and figure out some revenue streams for you. All right, let's jump into expenses. First one is Nicole Walters membership that I'm a part of, and that's $97 a month. That's under education and development. Next is labor. No labor this month. I didn't have any freelancers or hire anyone. Supplies, I bought some templates from Caroline. That was $20. Travel, no travel this month. Advertising, I did a giveaway on this channel earlier this month on I gave 4 $25 gift cards to Amazon. So $100 total. And I'll be doing another one shortly. So stay tuned for that. Next is dues and subscriptions. So quite a bit from Sprint, Traineract, Comcast, MailChimp, G Suite, YouTube Premium, Adobe Creative Cloud, Cloudflare, DigitalOcean, all of those. Total of $953.14. Next is food, $0. Okay, so total for all expenses was $1,170.14. Total revenue, like you saw up above, was $5,090.20. Profit, 5% of that goes into a savings account. I do the Profit First method or a modified Profit First method. I'll have the Profit First book linked down below in the description. It's a really, really great book. I loved it. So 5% goes into a savings account that I get paid out quarterly personally. So it's like a bonus that I get every quarter. So $254 goes into profit. Owner's pay is $3,308.63. That's what gets transferred to my personal budget for my husband and I and our family. Operating expenses, 30% would be $1,527.06. 30% minus what was spent is $356.92. I like to keep this in a savings account for other times because my goal is to spend about 30% on expenses. I've actually had a hard time spending money on my business and hiring people. As you see, no labor again, and I really want to start investing into my business more in terms of hiring people and not being just a one-man show. So I have a savings account that also goes to conferences or anything else I spend money on like that. So let's skip down to this blue box for a minute. So we have profit first and operating expenses minus 30%. So this month is $254.51 for profit. Operating expenses minus 30% is $356.92. This is previous month's total. So total in the account right now for profit of 5% is $1,265.63. Operating expenses is $2,355.47 for a total of $3,062.10. Next, let's look at hours worked. So this this month, I worked 51 and a half hours. I track all of my time in Toggl. Anytime I'm doing anything, even recording this right now, it's tracking my time in Toggl. And so I can see what I'm spending my time on, and if I'm spending it on things that I shouldn't be or whatnot. So 51 and a half hours this month total, and that gives me an hourly rate for my gross total revenue divided by my hours worked is $98.84 an hour. So my hourly rate for working my business is $98. So that is my business income for December.